Hello friends and fellow investors. Welcome to my channel Weekend Investor. Today we are going to be speaking about a special stock, a special company. It's Nndm. Now, this stock is special. No matter what they do, the stock price keeps climbing up. It's amazing. And I'm very excited to speak about it. I have never seen anything like that in all my years. They did four secondary offerings, and the price just bounced up every time. Every secondary offering was a buying opportunity because the price came back to the same level in 1 to 2 days. Just like we will see when we move on to the stock review, we will look at some charts and everything. So if you like my content, please, I invite you, like below, comment, subscribe to the channel. You can also do it here. It's a floating subscribe YouTube button. So, okay, let's move on. So, Nndm is a company that is manufacturing 3D printers for electronic circuits and electronic devices. Now, this is a very interesting space with a lot of potential in upcoming years. They are considered a tech company, so they have very little in revenues and quite high cash burn rate. But because they did a lot, they did four secondary offerings in the last 1 month. They have about 400 million cash in hand, meaning they got money to spend. That is a lot. Their cash burn rate in the last quarter was 20 million. So that means they got at the current burn rate money to last them for the next 5 to 6 years. That is a lot of time. And I also found this here that they are planning to expedite, meaning advance commercialization efforts and infrastructures, meaning they want to sell more of their products. They are building on their sales teams. This is very important because sooner or later investors will want to see results, and this will give them the results, and this will further fuel the stock price of this company. Because like we have seen in the last month here, the price has doubled. It went from 360 to 720, and they did four public offerings, secondary offerings. So the upward pressure on this stock price is just amazing. Nothing can stop it. Tomorrow there will be a closing of 30 million additional shares, and the stock price is exactly where it was yesterday before they announced this news. So if we look further back, we can see that this stock is coming off a big downtrend. They were in 2 years ago, 3 years ago, they were at $70, and they just been falling, red, and they kind of stopped here at 26 cents. Yeah, and this was this year, and they are now at $7.11. This is amazing. So we are seeing that the chart is starting to curl upwards. And if you look here, we are currently at a resistance level around $7.5. But if we break through that, we got place to go to 13. We can fill the gap to $13. So I have a short-term short-term price target for this stock at $13 to $14, and I think it could go all the way to 35 by the end of the next year, because here we have 35. There is not a lot of resistances between 13 and 35. It's just one big gap to fill, and with all the pressure, upward pressure that this stock has been seeing, I see no reason why it shouldn't fill the gap all the way to 35. And we also got institutional investors that think the same. Last month, Hyde Capital bought 5 million shares of this company. 5. That's like 5% of the company. They just, bam, they bought it like that. They didn't even blink an eye. ARK Invest, that many of you know, is also buying this stock daily. They're buying daily. They got money to spend. They spend it on this stock, and this means that we should continue to see upward pressure in price, because when institutional buyers are buying, others will follow. I think it will stop then around 35 for some time to consolidate before it can go higher. I mean, it can go higher up to 70 if there will be results, there will be sales, there will be some meaningful developments in the company. I think with all the money that they have now, there are few possibilities what they will do with them. They could either make new products, acquire another company, or just focus on sales, invest millions and millions and millions in sales, which will result in new customers. And this is very important for this company. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Now, if you liked what you heard, I ask you to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And I have a little teaser for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will be speaking about up and coming Chinese company. Now, it's a little on the riskier side, but nonetheless, they are a very good company with lots of potential, and I wouldn't be speaking here if I didn't think good about it. So, see you till tomorrow. Bye.